Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 12 times x plus 3 equals 7 times x minus 4. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 7 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 7 times x from both sides. That gives 5 times x plus 3 equals negative 4. The plus 3 keeps 5 times x from standing alone. Subtract 3 from both sides to remove it. That gives 5 times x equals negative 7. Five is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by 5. That gives x equals negative 1.4. Quick check, substitute negative 1.4 for x. Both sides equal negative 69 over 5, so the equation balances. So, x equals negative 1.4.